class with a prayer. Please, all please lead, Kiara. Alright, good morning, class. Welcome to English 9.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
You're fine.
Alright, so before you take your seat, I want you to arrange your chair properly. Okay, please settle down. Alright, so if your name is being called, say present, okay? Dakay,
Present.
Panunsyal,
Present.
Rusagaran.
Present.
Alright, so before we start, I want you to know that I have 3 rules here. The first one, please raise your hand if you want to answer. Alright, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The second one, please respect everyone. And the third one, don't use cell phone or any gadget inside my class. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, before we start, I have here the objectives that we need to achieve for this day. Please all read.
Identify the elements of one act titled American Pie. Demonstrate one act play through role playing. Appreciate the elements of the one act play in conversations in daily life.
Okay, thank you, class. So, before we proceed in our discussion, let's do a recap first. What have you noticed on Anglo-American literature based on our previous discussion? Yes, Noreen?
Anglo-American literature contains a lot of short stories in its elements.
Okay, very good. From our previous discussion, what are the elements of short story? Yes, Kara.
Theme.
Okay, that's good. How about others at the back?
Characters.
Alright, that's good.
Dialogue.
Okay, that's all the elements of short story. What made the story engaging and how the plot, character, or setting can contribute to the story? Yes, you, Kara.
The story is engaging because of its elements. The character, plot, dialogue, and contributing to the story by giving life to the story.
Yes, that's very good. Thank you for sharing your idea, Kara. So now, let's begin our discussion with a game. I have here a jumbled letters that I want you to unlock the word. I have here the clue for you to answer the jumbled letters. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the first question is a sequence of events with a clear conflict, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. Yes.
Platinum.
Okay, that's good. A sequence of events with a clear conflict is a plot. Remember that class, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The next one. They are the characters who drive the play forward. Island.
Actors.
Alright, that's good. The time and place where the play unfolds. Anyone?
Setting.
Yes, that's good. Conversation between the actors. Yes, Noreen?
Dialogue.
Alright, very good, class. The central message or idea conveyed through the play. Yes, Kara?
Theme.
Alright, that's good, class. The last one. Instruction for actors and production aspect. Yes, Eileen?
Stage actions.
Yes, that's correct, class. So, what do you think is our topic for today? Yes.
One act play.
Yes, that's good. So our topic for today is all about one act play. When you hear the word One act play. What comes in your mind when you hear the word one act play? Anyone? Yes, you.
One act plays typically run between 15 minutes to an hour.
Yes, that's good. Thank you for sharing, Colin. One act play is a single act containing five action in a play. It contains also in 15 minutes up to 1 hour. One act play also contains elements. What are the elements in one act play? Here the character. I want to read this, Colin.
A character is a person or sometimes an animal who takes part in the action of a short story or
Literary work.
work.
Yes, character element is very important in one play because they are the characters who drive the story forward. And a character have protagonist and antagonist. Character playing island. What your insight? What is protagonist and antagonist?
Protagonist is Abdi Damam, while antagonist is Kunchabi.
Okay, thank you, Island. That's a protagonist is the main character, while the antagonist is a person who opposes the main character. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Also, we have setting. Please read, Francine.
Setting is the time and place.
Okay, thank you, Francine. Settings is sometimes the author often used a description to describe things like, for example, a building, other, or where the story takes place. It can be a time or a place. So now we have a plot. Kara.
Plot is a pattern of events that develop from the interaction between characters.
Okay, thank you. A plot is a sequence of events that happen in a story. We have five elements in plot. We have here the exposition, rising action, climax, and the falling action to the conclusion or resolution. Now, we have here the dialogue. Please read.
Dialogue is the action flow between actors.
Okay, so dialogue class is a what character will say in their story or in the one play. We have one character say something that other reacts of moving the drama along in the directions of the scene. So dialogue should lead to the scene. The character's role and purpose and overall structures and theme of the play. So dialogue is a what the character will say to their other character to move the story forward. So we have a theme and conflict. Please see the theme. How about you, Noreen?
Theme is the meaning, events, and characters' actions in the
Okay. The theme is the central idea or the main idea in the story. We have also the conflict. Please read, Kara.
Conflict is any of the problems that a character encounters in a story.
Okay. Thank you, Kara. You can say that a conflict is between the struggle of a character or the problem inside the story. That's what we call conflict. In conflict, we have the external and internal. So, the external is the character will oppose the problem between the nature, and the internal is the character problem with themselves. Do you understand the difference between external and internal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have also the stage direction. Please read, Island.
Stage direction is action for the actors and about movement, gesture, and other action on stage.
Okay. Stage direction class is very important in one act play because actors or the directors will say on how they will act on the stage. So we have here the gesture, their movements, or where they will move, or where their gesture, what their gestures are. So it helps to bring the play to life. Okay, class, do you have any questions regarding our topic? Please tell me if you didn't understand our topic for today. Okay, anyone? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
No question?
None so far.
Okay, so let me ask you, class. Have you ever experienced a one-act play?
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you explain?
During our role play, I'm the character which is Roland. We also have stage direction and dialogue.
Okay, that's correct. Thank you for sharing your experience, Sarah. How about others? Fine? Yes, fine.
I also experienced play, and I'm one of the main characters. Also, have a third thing.
Okay, thank you for sharing your experience, Pauline. Okay, class, remember one-act play again. It does have a few characters. Okay? That's the difference between the other drama. Okay, so since you started our lesson for today, can you please get one paper? In one sheet of paper, please answer this one. In 15 minutes, I will call your paper. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, are you done? Okay, please put your paper forward. Okay, thank you, class. Before that, let's have a role play. Do you want a role play?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want you to group yourself and collaborate with your group mates and perform an act play. I give you 15 minutes to meeting your group mates. After, then let's proceed your presentation. Okay? You have a few minutes to start now. Alright, class. Give yourself applause. Alright, very good. It's a nice presentation. So, do you understand now what is what a play?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For your assignment, I want you to take note. Okay. Please read on.
In one whole sheet of paper, create a graphic organizer to distinguish the features of one act play.
Okay. For your assignment, I want you to create a graphic organizer that distinguishes the feature of one play. You will pass this for next meeting. Do you Before we end the meeting, let's have a summary first. How about others? Your understanding of today's discussion. Kiara?
Because of this lesson, nakabangko ko may kalahian sa one play ko.
Okay, thank you for sharing of understanding, Kiara. What others? Yes.
My understanding is in this lesson, one act play is a few actors and run 15 to 1 hour. And one act play have elements such as actors, plot, team, stage direction, and dialogue.
Okay, that's correct. Thank you for sharing your understanding, Island. Okay, before we end this meeting, I want you to watch the While the Auto Waits by O. Henry for you to give a what really is the one act play. That is example of one act play, okay? And for our next meeting, don't forget to bring assignment. Your assignment is to create a graphic organizer. I will check it in our second meeting. Alright. For now, thank you and goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, students.